We have got another Toyota Harrier here at Brain Power Audio, and today we are installing an FM signal booster to improve this Android head unit weak reception. You know, nowadays most of the Android head units tend to have the problem of poor or weak signal, and mostly when you leave Kampala or when you leave the city. We shall be testing for you after the installation improvement. So let us continue with the installation. We are done with the installation. You can now see the improvement. Don't forget to follow and like the video for more.